How to sign out Netflix off all devices on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can sign out of Netflix on all devices on your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign out Netflix on all devices on your TV, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application. But remember that we won't be able to sign out using the Netflix app. So what we're going to do is, instead we want to open up an internet browser on our Netflix application or on our TV. Once you open an internet browser, now it could be any internet browser, it doesn't have to be the one I'm currently using. What you have to do is you simply have to go to account settings. So basically you have to go to netflix.com/your-account and make sure that you're logged into your Netflix account. As you can see, I'm also already logged in. When you go to netflix.com/your-account on your web browser on TV, you'll land on this page where you have to keep scrolling down until you see this option called security and privacy over here. So as you can see, the security and privacy, control access to this account and so on, and right over here you'll find this option called sign out of all devices. You can click the sign out of all devices option and then you'll get successfully signed out of your Netflix app and of all the devices on your TV. This way you'll be able to sign out Netflix of all devices on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.